Alright guys, I just wanted to share with you a problem that I had with my second row seat release button. Um, when you come around to the inside of the car here, when you press this side, you hear a solenoid. It is an electronic button, these buttons right here, to release the seats. So when you press it, you should hear a solenoid release latch so that the seat will come down. When I go over here to this side and I press this, it does nothing. It does nothing. So I was currently having a problem with this button and not being able to release this seat and bring it down. But when I go to the back and I press this, or I pull on this button right here, that button works and you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear the solenoid releasing the seats here. So that button works. When you click on this button, I could hear that solenoid doing something. But when you click on this button, it does nothing on the right side rear seat. It does nothing. So I called the Tesla service center. I didn't call them. I made an appointment for the Tesla service center to go look at it. So I went into my Tesla app, reported the issue in the Tesla app, and requested for service. I put in the information, the problem that I was having, and what happened was they contacted me back and said, well, first they'd scheduled a mobile service to come to my location to work on it. And then what happened was the next day I received a notification saying that they wanted me to bring it in to the service center. So I made an appointment for a day that I could bring it in. So I ended up bringing it in, and then they wanted to get more information at the service center. So then I had to show them that this button was not releasing the seat, the back seat. It wasn't releasing it to bring it down. And then I showed them that that button was working. So they looked at it, and then they said, oh, okay, we don't have the parts. They need to be ordered. And so we will order it and schedule a mobile service for you. So that's what happened. They scheduled a mobile service, and they came over to my location, and he took everything apart. I think he had to take apart this back, the back panel here. I remember seeing him take this apart to get to the wiring and all that stuff. And then he also had to take this bottom seat out to get to the wiring underneath there. And I asked him if I could keep the part that was broken, and it was this wiring harness that he pulled out and replaced this wiring harness. So this is the part number I just wanted to share with you guys. That's the part number. It's an assembly harness, 2R seat, 40 RHS 5S. And so I was able to keep it. He gave it to me, and I was able to kind of analyze it. So it looks like I found the broken wire. This was the broken wire, and that's why the seat was not releasing every time I would touch that release button. But I found the yellow wire broke off because they soldered it together. So you can see that this is a repair So they soldered the two pieces together here. It wasn't one continuous wire. And what happened was it must have flexed enough times that it broke apart. And so I bet you if I reconnect that, I'd have a good wire harness again. So that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys the issue and the resolution for my back seat release button not working. So if you're having problems with your back seat not releasing properly, then it's probably this wire harness right there. All right, so just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm sure one of you guys are gonna have the same problem. If you like my content, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks a lot for checking out my video.